Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing Connections. From here, scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. Then select Printing section over here and tap on Default Print Service, or select Download over here and install the best service for you. I have HP printer, so I'll go with HP one. Wait for it to download and click on the back button twice. Now tap on one of your printing services and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!